Hi there everyone, I'm Amin, your English teacher, and today we're going to dive into an important structure in English, be able to plus verb. This structure is all about expressing ability. We'll go through each part step by step, so whether you're a beginner or a bit more advanced, you'll find something here to help you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how we use be able to in the present tense. Here's the formula. Subject plus am, is, are plus able to and the base form of the verb. We use this to say what someone can do right now in the present. For example, she's able to finish her work quickly. This means she can finish it fast right now or whenever she works. Next up, let's look at the past tense form. The formula is like this. First comes the subject, then was and where, and then be able to and the base form of the verb. This shows what someone could do at a specific time in the past. For example, she was able to complete the project on time. Here in this example, it means that she managed to finish her project in the past, maybe yesterday or last week. Now let's move to the future tense. The formula is subject plus will be, able to plus verb, the base form of course. This form is for talking about what someone can do in the future. For example, I will be able to attend the meeting next week. So we're saying next week I will have the ability to attend the meeting. All right, on the present perfect tense, this is a little bit more advanced, but it's useful. The formula is like so. First comes the subject, then have and has plus been plus able to plus the verb. We use this to say that someone gained an ability up to now. For example, she has been able to increase her speed in running. This means she's improved her speed over time, up to the present. Now let's go to the past perfect tense. The formula is subject plus had been able to plus the base form of the verb. We use this to describe an ability someone had before something else happened in the past. For example, by the time the guests arrived, she had been able to prepare everything. So she was ready before they came. Now we have conditional forms with be able to as well. The formula for the first conditional sentence is if plus the subject plus am, is, are, able to plus the verb, and then the main clause, subject plus will plus the base form. We use this to show ability in a possible future situation. For example, if she's able to finish early, she will join us for dinner. So if she finishes her work, she'll come to the dinner with us. All right, let's talk about adding adverbs to be able to. Adding words like easily, barely, or rarely changes the strength of ability. For example, she's easily able to solve these problems. Here, easily shows she finds it simple to solve problems. Now let's look at less common form, the passive. The formula is subject plus be able to plus the past participle form of the verb. We use this form when the action is more important than the person doing it. For example, the solution was able to be implemented quickly. This means the solution could be applied fast. Now let's see how to use the negative form. The formula is pretty simple. Subject, am, is, are, was, where, plus able to plus the base form of the verb. This shows when someone could not or can't in the future do something. For example, he's not able to attend the event. Here, we know he can't go to the event. Now let's look at forming questions, yes, no questions with be able to. The formula is pretty simple. Am, is, are, was, where, and will come at the beginning of the question, then the subject comes, and then able to, then the base form of the verb. We use this to form if someone has done something or has the ability to do something or not. For example, are you able to complete the project by next week? This yes/no question asks if someone can finish that thing in time. Finally, let's see how to emphasize ability. Add words like really or truly to make the ability stronger. For example, she's really able to understand complex topics. This means she understands difficult things very well. And there you have it, guys. Now you know how to use be able to in different ways across all the tenses. This structure is super flexible and lets you express ability in so many different situations. So what can you do now? Try using be able to in some sentences and examples of your own and drop them down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video or lesson, give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe for more videos. And also drop a comment to tell me what you want to learn next. This is Amin, your English teacher, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning.